How Pakistan Was Born. A Story for Little Hearts. Book. Dreams. Peace. Pakistan. Read. People. Long ago, the land was one, but people felt it wasn't fun. Some folks said, we need a place where we can pray and live with grace. They dreamed of peace, a land of their own, where love and kindness could be shown. A wise man stood with heart so bright, his name was Jinnah, full of light. He said, let's work with truth and care, a country fair for all to share. They faced hard times, the journey was long, but hopes were high and hearts were strong. With prayers and peace they did not stop until they reached the mountain top. On 14th of August, joy was near. Pakistan is born, they all did cheer. A flag so green with moon and star said, we are free! Look who we are! From farms to hills the land was wide with love and care on every side. Now every year we shout and say, Happy Pakistan Independence Day. So let's be kind and strong and true. Pakistan's future starts with you. This rhyming read-aloud story introduces young children to the formation of Pakistan in an easy, loving, and visual way. It highlights the importance of unity, peace, and leadership, perfect for Independence Day learning.